student. I am Veena Dikshit. I will make you perfect in chemistry. Just practice, my child. You will get success. We are discussing here Faraday's law of electrolysis, first law of Faraday. Please subscribe my channel. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Here, 1 coulomb electricity deposit, 2.3 gram of sodium, 96500 gram of silver, electrochemical equivalent of sodium, half of the electrochemical equivalent of silver. 1, 2, 3. A, B and D are false. Only electrochemical equivalent of sodium is correct. Why? Because according to Faraday's law, first law, W is directly proportional to C into T. C is current in ampere and T is time in second. So this is Z is the proportionality constant. It is known as electrochemical equivalent. So when 1 coulomb electricity is supplied, so W is equal to Z, and this Z is equal to atomic weight divided by 96500, and only sodium here. In this case, sodium is having 23 gram of atomic weight and 96500. Valency is 1, so this is correct for sodium. That electrochemical equivalent of sodium will be deposited. Yes, of course. Here they have written half of electrochemical equivalent of silver. This will be wrong, because not half. It will be also 108. Same. Only this atomic mass is different, but way is same. Z will be equal to 108 upon 96500 this coulomb. So this will be also electrochemical equivalent of silver. So if they will give you electrochemical equivalent of silver, then it's okay, but half is incorrect. If they will write electrochemical equivalent of sodium, yes, of course. Electrochemical equivalent of potassium, yes, it is. Electrochemical equivalent of silver, yes, it is. But half, if they will write on half of electrochemical equivalent of silver, no. Half of electrochemical equivalent of sodium, no. Half of electrochemical equivalent of potassium, no. Why? Because in unipositive cations having valency 1. So electrochemical equivalent is equal to atomic weight divided by valency and into 96500 coulomb. When valency is 1, so electrochemical equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight divided by 96500 coulomb. This is proportionality constant, electrochemical equivalent. But see, wait here, electrochemical equivalent of copper will be equal to atomic weight of copper, that is 63.5, valency of copper 2, and 96500 coulomb is fixed. So when we do this, so Z for copper to positive is 6.35 divided by product of 2 times 96500. Clear to you? So in this way, we can easily say that electrochemical equivalent of sodium is correct answer. And here I give you glimpses of first law of thermodynamics with this Faraday's